welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's a jewellery subscription. Now this was sent to me, the company contacted me and said would I like to review, and I went on the website and had a look and their stuff was a little bit different, and so I said yes. I do get quite a lot of jewellery companies message me and say do I want to do reviews, and I've done Jewellery Box and this one. I have turned down another couple in the last few weeks that I just didn't feel were right for me, and I didn't think my subscribers would be that interested. But this, just the pieces that I saw on the website looked really nice and really cute and different, so I thought I'd give it a go. So they do ship internationally. The company is called Mongoose, which I just think is the coolest name. I just thought it was really nice, and it's something that you remember. It's a name that you will remember, so Mongoose. Yeah, the website's really easy to use. The standard box, which is, there's two different options. You've got Mint Mongoose on its own, which is 3 Mint Mongoose exclusive pieces of adorable high quality jewellery with a retail value of $40 plus. Customised boxes with your choice of gold or silver jewellery, and an awesome gift every 3 months. So I said I didn't have a preference whether I wanted gold or silver. I said surprise me, and I've got this one, which is the $12 a month. If you're in the UK, it's $12 a month plus $10 shipping, which is $22, which works out around about £15–16. If you're in the States, it's $12, $3.70 shipping, so it's $15.70 a month. But there is another option, which is the Mint Mongoose Black, which is 4 pieces of jewellery, 2 fun accessories that you get to pick, like socks, makeup, hygiene products, things like that, and a free gift every 3 months, and that's free US shipping, which works out at $22.99 a month. So I think it is a really good little subscription. Head on over to the website, see what you think. There's some really cute pieces, but I kind of wanted to do it, although it does ship to the UK, which is amazing. I've got quite a lot of subscribers in the States, like Danielle and Angie and Dana and Lisa, and I just kind of wanted to do something for them because I do lots of unboxings for the UK that don't ship to the States, so I wanted to do one for them. But I've chanted enough for 2.5 minutes. Let's get in because I'm desperate to see what is in here. Firstly, how cute is this packaging? It's really pretty. I can't get in it, I'm too excited. Ooh. Okay. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Look. Can you see? There's a little mongoose. That is literally like a little wax mongoose on there. That is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. How do I get in it? I don't want to rip it. I'm just going to fix it. Let's have a look. Is this the Werther's original? And then it's a little card that just says thank you, and that's the logo. How cute is that little Mint Mongoose? I just love him. And it says be sure to share your photos and videos of your new favourite Mint Mongoose jewellery pieces with the tag Mint Mongoose to be entered to win a free month. So that's always good on Instagram and Facebook. Got this little green paper. I'm trying not to rip anything. It's all so pretty. Oh, ooh. Right, so my first piece I've got here. Oh, this is pretty. And I love it. It's got like the little, look at that little tag. It is just literally the cutest logo ever. And it says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box for free. Yeah, because you can shop on the website as well. So this looks like a necklace, if I can get in it. Again, I'm going to just cut it because I don't want to. I'm a bugger for tangling up necklaces. So let's have a look. This is really pretty. It's not gold. It's kind of like the antique-y kind of goldy bronze brassy. This is really pretty. Really lovely green stone on the end. Oh my god, and the chain has got a mongoose on it. I cannot cope with how cute the mongooses are. Look. I just like mongooses. So this is on the shorter of the two. It's a really pretty This is something that I would wear every day. Really, really pretty. Yes. What have we got next? Next up, I've got another necklace. And again, it's kind of like the more sort of antique-y look chain, and it's got a big red stone on the end in a teardrop shape. That's super pretty. You can see how red it is when the light shines through it. I think I can probably just put this, yeah. Oh, I like those together actually. Obviously not with this t-shirt. I really like that. And then finally, oh, I've got earrings that match the little green one. Oh, I love them. I think the easiest way for me to show you these is to get them in my ear. Oh my God, they've got the Mongoose on the back as well. I can't cope with the Mongoose cuteness. There you go. Super, super pretty and really hard to show. Really pretty. I like them. They don't feel heavy on my ears. I don't like earrings that feel too heavy, but they feel really nice. And you can specify if you've got your ears pierced, if you want watches or not. There is lots of customization options. And I think if I lived in the States, I honestly think I would get the mint Mongoose black one, because you get to choose your little extras. I'm now just on their website having a little look just to see what the options are. So you can choose whether you want gold or silver, whether you want watches or not, and whether you've got your ears pierced. And it's also giving you the option to add some sale items into your basket as well if you want, which is nice. And then yeah, you can do it month to month. It's $22.99. This is the next subscription up, the higher one. 3-month prepay, which saves you 10%, 6 months saves you 20%, and 12 months saves you 24%. So for 12 months, $209. Yeah, I think this is really good. I think it's a really nice subscription. I love these earrings. They're so pretty. I think this is going to be something I will wear all the time. Thank you so much to Mint Mongoose for reaching out to me, because this is gorgeous. I'm not sure how often I'll wear this one. I do like them together, but I think the kids are just going to grab this because it's really nice and shiny with the red. I think the kids are just going to grab it. My mum might like this one. I might give this one to my mum. But I love the earrings. Yeah. So for the UK, around about £16 a month. That's including shipping. And for the States, it is $15.70. Will get you a subscription for 3 pieces of jewellery. There's some really cool stuff on their website, so go on over, have a look, see what you think, and let me know if you subscribe. And let me know if you do get some stuff. Tag me on Instagram so I can see what you got, because I always like to be nosy and see what other people get. But yeah, thank you so much to Mint Mongoose for sending me this, and thank you guys for watching. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Have a good night. Bye guys.